Nice intro for today's show.
Yes, it was. That intro was made by Jessica Mendelson, and it was a great way to start.
Good morning, West Hampton.
And welcome to the Hurricane Watch. This is James Passarelle.
And this is Lauren Carroll.
What's up first today, James?
I made a spectacular package on the new Hydro. It's the Hydro 2.0.
Oh boy.
Fade to black.
Ever since last year, the Hydro has been a great way for students to get clean water. This year, there has been an addition of a second Hydro. Here's what West Hampton thinks.
So what do you think of the original Hydro?
It's pretty good.
And the new one?
Also pretty good.
You think so?
Yeah.
Glad to hear it.
So Liam, what do you think of the new Hydro?
No, it's a quality machine. Used it a couple times, you know. Yeah.
Not better than the first one though, right?
No, not close.
Not close.
No, not even close.
So I'm here with Eric. Eric, what do you think of the new Hydro?
I think it's not as good as the original one.
Why do you think that?
Because, first of all, nothing beats the original, and second, this other one behind us comes out a lot faster and it's a lot cleaner.
Yeah, that's true.
We all know Joe DiBenedetto thinks he owns this school. So for this week's package, he takes us on a tour of his house in WHB CRIBS.
South West Hampton Beach, Joe DiBenedetto, welcome to my crib.
Everybody know everybody, and if I got it, everybody got it. Welcome to my hood. Look at all these old school Chevys 24, so you know we roll heavy. Welcome to my hood. Stay outside playing hopscotch and everybody.
Welcome to my master bedroom. It's my chair. It's a great office. You know, I like to relax in here. Take a nap during my daytime. Got a nice bed in the other room. Show you my nice bathroom. Hold on, I gotta answer a phone call. Let me call you back. Cribs is here. It's my nanny. And this is my fish tank. We got 7 fish. Nemo, Cuddly, Big Dog, Clifford, and the rest, they stay unnamed. Let's go. And now, I'm going to show you the best part, the indoor basketball court. Welcome to my gym. Like I'm not supposed to, like to play ping pong. And my favorite thing to do is play a little basketball, like Kobe. What a workout. Alright. Everyone shows their refrigerators on cribs. They ain't got nothing on mine. Come on.
Lettuce, tomato, shape. My name Mac Miller. What you? Well, my crew too live, but I ain't Uncle Luke.
And here, this is the big fridge. This big. Got my light. Got my beef. Got my beans. Enough of that. It's time to show you something real cool. We're not finished yet.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
That's right, fresh new mixtape, June 3rd, JD Kid, holla at your boy, hotnewhiphop.com, let's go. I'm going to show you my favorite place to just chill with my friends. This is the hallway to my movie theater. This is my movie theater, seats about 300. I like to just kick it here, hang with a girl, watch a little movie. I love to just sit back here and chill with my friends, you know, catch a quick movie, enjoy it, eat some popcorn. Come on, let's go. Now I'm going to take you and show you a couple of my cars. Let's go. Start off, got a nice little, it's nothing special, it's a Porsche Carrera, 2007, 6-speed manual, nothing special. This car's for my ladies, it's my 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8. Nice black on black, all black everything, it's called Murdered Out. Alright, West Hampton, you see my room, you see my fishes, you see my basketball court, you see my kitchen, you even see my home movie theater, and now you see my cars. Man, it's Friday, get out of here, I got things to do. Peace out.
A few important reminders before we say goodbye for today. Remember to bring in non-perishable foods for blessings in a backpack. Easy Mac or full-size boxes of mac and cheese, Campbell's soup, large cans or single serving size, oatmeal packets, fruit snacks, granola bars, breakfast bars, applesauce individually wrapped, crackers, cheese and crackers, Yoo-hoo, juice boxes, small waters, or ramen noodles.
And make sure to come support the boys varsity football team tomorrow.
Go Canes!
And lastly, a friendly reminder about the graduation service requirement. Freshmen, sophomores, and juniors need 10 hours per year. Get your verification forms in now.
And now our question of the week from Devin and Eric. Go Questions!
Who's the most intimidating teacher in the school?
Miss Horowitz.
Why would you say that?
'Cause she's done it all, and she's really scary.
What about the least intimidating teacher in the school?
I'd have to say Mr. Bass.
Why would you say that?
Because even though he's strict, he's like a big teddy bear, and he's actually really scared of snakes, so it's pretty funny.
Yeah, he's a sweetheart. Hey, Ugly, who's the most intimidating teacher in the school?
Probably Miss Wiles.
Why's that?
She scares me a little bit.
What about the least intimidating teacher in the school?
Definitely Mr. Bass. He's just a cuddly bear. That's what he is.
Yeah, I'd agree with that.
Nick, did Devin hurt your feelings? Oh, man, let me give you a hug. You all right, man? You all right?
Hey, Zach, who's the most intimidating teacher in the school?
I'd have to say Mr. Ski because he stands over my desk with a clenched fist all the time.
What about the least intimidating teacher in the school?
I'd have to say Mr. Koches. He's quite the softy.
He is quite the softy.